guys, it's Owen here from Albion Camping. Thanks for clicking on to my video. I've just come to a lovely location in Bedfordshire, an ancient woodland with my buddy Kev, who's just behind the camera at the moment. I'll swing around and show you him in a minute. Yeah, we just come for a night of wild camping. It's Friday, it's about 2:45, and yeah, just having a quick brew, and then I'm going to get my tent up, maybe have a little fire, sit by and just chill out for the rest of the evening. Yeah, melted my bottle up. There's Kev over there from South Downs Wanderer. You can check his channel out if you feel like it. I'll put the link in the description below. He's just setting up his brand new tent. He's in the Alpkit Soloist. I'll show you a bit later when he's got it set up. As for me, I think I'm going to go and set my... I've got a new tent as well actually. I think I'm going to go and set it up just over there. To quickly jump in the tents because the rain is just crazy. It wasn't predicted on the weather to be this bad, but yeah, when Kev got into his tent, he's ripped the inner apparently, which isn't good on his first time out of the tent. Well, it's just gone 6, stopped raining again, and yeah, we're going to cook some food. Not sure if you can see, but we've got a 2x2 tarp set up. I bought it off Amazon. I think it cost £5. It's for carrying garden rubbish around, and was planning on having a fire, but it's just too wet, so yeah. Kev's got his boil in a bag meal on. He's got a Trangia. What? Trangia triangle. What meal are you cooking?
I think it's burger and beans, I think. No, sorry, it's
like sausages.
Meatballs and pasta.
Ah, meatballs and pasta. I'll
sticky toffee pudding for afters.
Not sure if you heard that, but sticky toffee pudding for his afters. Well, because I enjoyed my bangers and mash so much on my last camp, I thought I'd have it again. Yeah, I was going to have a fire, but yeah, it's just too wet, so gonna cook it in a little pan.
Last time I tried Wayfair. Do advertising for Wayfair.
Well, Kevin's eating his Wayfarer meatballs and pasta. How is it, sir?
Very tasty, actually.
It's good.
Rather be having more though.
Oh, we're just trying to get a fire going in the my little poor man's bush box or firebox, whatever they're called.
Oh, lovely jubbly. That was going for a while. Did you got your gloves back?
Yeah, good day if you like. Can't bother to hold them, I'll stick them on there.
All we need now is more marshmallows.
It's pretty late now. Packed up the tarp and yeah, we're going to head to bed. The rain stopped. We've had quite a mild evening. Yeah, it's been fun. I'll catch you in the morning. I was in my new tent last night. It's the Vango Helium 2 UL or something like that. I'll put the name up on the screen. But yeah, I really like it. It's kind of a bit expensive, but it only weighs just under 1.4 kilos. But yeah, pretty happy with it. It's basically a lighter Banshee 200, which I've also got and I really like. I'm just going to have to talk into the back of the microphone, so apologies for that. But yeah, there's Kevin. How did you sleep, mate?
Not bad. Not a fan of the tent though.
Now, why's that?
It's too goddamn small, and it broke on me yesterday.
What tent is it?
It's the Outkit Soloist.
How did it break?
Undoing the zip, and where is it? There.
Oh no, that's not good for a new tent.
So not happy. Don't like the way it looks. Condensation on the inside. It's just nah. It's going back.
Yeah, fair enough then. That's a shame.
Heard good reviews about this thing, but I don't like it. Sleeping bag, awesome.
Yeah, I both got the same sleeping bag, the OEX Leviathan. Really like it myself.
Same sleep mat, same base mat. It's a good setup. Just the tent is crap.
Well, good morning. Had a good sleep last night. Not sure if you noticed, but I actually moved my tent last night because when I got into bed I noticed that there was a tree leaning in kind of in my direction. I'm not sure how I missed that, but yeah, I did check, but somehow missed it. And then so yeah, I moved my tent a bit closer to Kev's because that was a good spot. But yeah, we heard a tree crashing in the night, which kind of freaked me out. Don't know if you guys have ever heard trees crashing in the night. If you do, if you have, yeah, just drop a comment, let me know what you think. Did it freak you out when you heard it? But yeah, we're all packed up now and gonna head off home. So I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Shout out to my subscribers, my new ones, me old ones. Thank you very much for watching, really appreciate it. Love the comments, and a sneaky shout to the WhatsApp groups. So yeah, cheers. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.